Hello, we're going to study today WH questions. And we're going to study what are they and how to use them. Question words are used to make questions about specific matters, such as the time, way to do things, states of being, places, and people. Then, oh, 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 oh. Then we use who. Who is used to ask about people, like these people. Who are you? We are students. And who is used to ask about people? What is used to ask about things? What is that? That is a cat. Where is used to ask about places, like this one. Where does Rosa live? Rosa lives in United States. When is used to ask about dates. When does Marco come? Mark come. Mark comes next week. How is used to ask about the way to do things. How was your weekend? It was very funny. Why is used to ask about the reasons, to explain. Why do you like Facebook? Because it is easy to contact people. Then, how do we make these questions? First, we need to do a question in present simple, and that is made by an auxiliary verb do, like this, or does in the case of he, she, and it, then a subject, the verb, and the complement. Then you have auxiliary verb do, subject you, the verb, and the complement. Do you want cookies? And then we transform this question with the WH questions, like this. We just add to this same very formula. I copy this formula from here to below, and we add WH. Who does want cookies? In this case, we don't add the subject because we're asking about the subject. Then who does want cookies? The only difference here is I don't have the you and I need to use does because we're talking about a third person. Then this is the way to do it. Thank you very much.